feeling angry? We want to believe that life is fair. But what happens when life turns out to be not so fair after all? What happens when people are the main cause of your frustrations? Every one of us has a story. A hurtful event perpetrated by someone who mattered in our lives. When life doesn't treat you fairly, will you blame others or will you forgive? Though there's no quick fix for this silent killer, Dr. Dick Tibbits suggests a solution: forgiveness. You don't have to be at the mercy of your anger any longer. Discover in the Forgive to Live program a journey into a territory that many people have yet not explored. You can find a relief and better health through some basic principles of forgiveness. Come and join us at Cornerstone Seventh-day Adventist Church this September 8th and 9th. Give it a try. The moment for healing has arrived.